The Shop for Shops tagging gun is a great all-round tagging gun. Tagger tails are available in 25mm lengths as well as 75mm long. Hold the gun and look from the top. There is a T-shaped feed slot to hold the fasteners. Insert the spine of the fasteners into the T-slot and gently push until the first fasteners get to the level of the needle. You are now ready to start using the tagging gun. Handy hint: to remove the fasteners, hold back the black lever on top of the gun and remove the fasteners. Start by removing the needle cover. Put the tag over the needle and put the needle through the garment in the correct position. Place your fingers near the needle on the inside of the fabric. Pull the trigger once. Congratulations! You've now successfully applied a tag to a garment. Don't forget to install the needle cover when the gun is not in use. Over time, the needles can get damaged and need replacing. Turn the needle lock 180 degrees to unlock the needle. Take out the faulty needle. Align the slot in the needle with the slot in the gun and insert the needle. Turn the needle lock 180 degrees to lock the needle. Pull on the needle to check it's correctly locked. Handy hint: when the trigger is pressed, you'll be able to see the push rod inside the needle. If you can't, the needle is not correctly installed. Make sure you install the needle cover when the gun is not in use. Congratulations! You've now successfully changed the needle.